Chemist man din niya ako asawa di ay.
Asin be. This one.
Sigulan ko dig asin day para asa din imo ang kuan day ma'am. Imo ang project ron.
Aquarium daw ni Sir Kevin.
Napo day asin sagol? Sa Epsom salt. Shout out to Father Fish. You are the reason why we made this aqua preta. Thank you so much for your videos that inspired us
Ug atin no.
to make this aqua preta as well.